Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Red Stripe ups the ante with a live music series. Long-standing liquor brand Red Stripe will bring live music to the fore with the launch of an island-wide event dubbed Red Stripe Live, an initiative which aims to showcase authentic musical experiences in authentic venues around the island. Assistant brand manager at Red Stripe, Rashima Kelly, shared details on the music series.
So Red Stripe Live series will launch on Friday, January 25 at no place better than our yard, at home, 214 Spanish Town Road at the Red Stripe Oval. This will be a series that will happen throughout the year. We'll be going across the island where Red Stripe continues to be a part of music because it's something that is quite synonymous with our brand. So we encourage you to follow us on social media because it's something that is gonna be very spontaneous. We want persons to look out for it so that you know what is new, what is different that will be happening.
She also shared what patrons can expect at the first staging of RS Live series.
So we will have on this show our 2017 winner, which is Pastor from Montego Bay, who will be a part of the lineup for this one. And we also have two of our EP acts, which is Tifa and Agent Sasko. And we also have rising and emerging act, Ragging King.
This RS Live music series aims to unearth up-and-coming talent while featuring some top acts in an effort to remain committed to Jamaican music. Red carpet treatment for Bahamian film Cargo. Stylish patrons are out in their numbers at the Jamaican gala premiere of Bahamian film Cargo, held at the Carib 5 Theatre. The stylish soiree, which was live on RETV, featured a cast of actors, actresses, filmmakers, industry playmakers, and the stylish elite who showed their support for the film. Actress Sky Nicole Gray spoke on the film's message.
At the moment, human trafficking, it's a big deal.
Yes.
Everyone is talking about it. It's serious. It's affecting a lot of family. And this is something that people need to be aware of.
Actor Jimmy Jean-Louis, who plays the character Jean, gave insight on his character.
I play the role of Jean, who's a Haitian trying to get a better life, and to do so, he jumps onto a boat and goes to the Bahamas, trying to get to America.
Right.
And then a lot of struggle happened during that journey.
Producer Alexander Eunice shared why the film script resonated with him.
Script and that story, it's like it really resonated with me. It's very similar to the thoughts and process that I went through in what the characters go through. They're all looking for an opportunity and resources.
Director, filmmaker Kareem Mortimer shared some of the accolades the film has received.
So we won the Amnesty International Human Rights Prize for film. We've won an award in Los Angeles at the Haiti International Film Festival. We've won a Bahamian Icon Award. We've won, I don't remember all the other awards, but we've won I think we won 5 awards so far.
Jamaica was the first stop in the Cargo Gala premiere tour. The tour will continue with screenings throughout the Caribbean for the month of January. Part proceeds of the film throughout its Caribbean release will be donated to Hollywood Unites for Haiti, a non-profit organization founded by actor Jimmy Jean-Louis for underprivileged youths in Haiti. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.